Welcome back, everyone. Thanks again for coming back to the channel, checking out my latest videos. Got some new subscribers. Thanks a lot to everybody who's subscribed already. And got a new video for you today. Got a couple new toys I thought I'd show you. This one actually isn't necessarily train related or model railroad related. One of my other avid hobbies, I guess you would call it, activities is into cycling, bicycle racing, criteriums in particular, road races, things like that. One of the big things sweeping, all sorts of action sports in general, is the, GoPro action camera type video, helmet mounts, things like that. So off of eBay I picked up it's pretty much just a knockoff of the GoPro Hero cameras that are out there. But essentially the same thing though. It's actually pretty nice. It uses the same mounts and everything, but significantly cheaper. But seems to be as good a quality. Again, being wintertime in Wisconsin, I haven't had a chance to ride outside yet in a while. I'm brave, but not that brave. But I thought, you know what? This would be a neat thing to use to try and give maybe a first-person view of the layout itself. So with one of the included mounts that you get, it's just a little base mount for the camera. I went ahead and put it on. Well, this isn't a flat car. It's actually the bottom of a old box car that I had. Stuck it on there, and then this snaps into place like so, and you've got yourself a first-person view of your layout. So I shot some footage. It doesn't take that long to get around, so the engine was running quite slowly. The only problem is the car becomes a little bit top-heavy. The camera is lightweight, but not so lightweight that it's totally stable. So going a little bit slower, you might want to fast forward through the video, but it's still pretty cool, so we'll cut to that. Well, that was the first-person view of the layout. Actually, I thought it was kind of cool, even if it didn't turn out that great. A little bit of wobble in there, but and you can see there was one spot as we were going along where it hit a piece of conduit. Obviously, the train's clear, but this being a little bit wider than your normal box car or normal, HO scale car, it hit it. But otherwise, it's a different use for this type of camera, and it's meant for action shots, which I guess that kind of was. So, hope you enjoyed something a little bit different. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.